clock hit 10 and the day turned bright, leaving the past in the fading night. The future calls like a distant flame. A new day rises, not the same. Dreams of justice echo in the air, reclaiming voices, no longer despair. It's time to heal, to take a stand. Together we march, united hand in hand in hand. Raise your hand as the drums take flight. Feel the rhythm cut through the daylight. Together we stand with reparation plans, never apart. This year begins with an open heart. Brixton streets, a heartbeat loud, voices unite beneath the proud cloud. First a Messiah, our day reborn, a day to right, in unity sworn. Gathered together on the golden sun, celebrate freedom, the battle won. With every step we break these chains, for every loss a victory remains. Raise your hand as the drums take flight. Open heart, resolution set, we move with grace, finding new meaning in this old place. The past is a shadow we lay to rest, moving forward to give our best. From ashes we rise like a phoenix so bold, stories untold in our hearts they unfold. Community strong in this vibrant song, together we sing where we all belong. Brixton hums with a steady song, pulling us closer where we belong. A moment shared, a memory made, leaving regrets to wither and fade. Lose the chains, embrace the light, the power's in our hands, shining bright. In every beat, in every part, this movement's alive with an open heart. Raise your hand as the drums take flight. Drums take flight. Feel the rhythm cut through the daylight. Together we stand with reparation plans, never apart. Never apart. This year begins with an open heart. African Reparation Day, a moment divine. Together we rise, let our spirits align. With hope in our hearts we're making a way. Celebrate life on this glorious day.